Hello there, this is fairbinaryoptions.com, as you can see on the screen, and we are looking at the euro and US dollar. The reason we are looking at this pattern, at this chart, at the 4-hour chart, is the fact that we are, let's say, having a potential contracting triangle, which in the end most likely is going to break higher. But we are going to play it on the shorter side or on the lower side, so we want to buy puts based on it, and we want to buy puts with 1 week or end of week expiration date, depending how your broker allows this. The reason for that is twofold. First of all is fundamentals. We're going to have the debt ceiling expiring in 2 days in the United States. There is rumor on the market that there is a short-term, let's say, deal or agreement that might be reached, and this would push the deadline one month further. And most likely until November we are just going to consolidate and then price to try to go higher and make a new high above the 137.10. However, until then, like the name suggests here, we are looking at a possible contracting triangle, and our contracting triangle started from this moment of time, and I'm looking for, so from this moment of time, and I'm looking for this to be wave A, so looking for this to be wave A, like this, then a B wave to the upside, C. As you can see, there is a D wave. I don't think that the D wave is already done. Most likely price will go and make a new high above 136 in a quick move, but this is not what we want to trade here when you trade binary options. We are looking actually 1 week for now, or even end of week this week, we are looking for an E wave to come, and this E wave to come should be lower than the current prices, 135.60. So we are looking for price actually to come below this level in order to buy puts. So based on this contracting triangle, any contracting triangle travels between the A and C and B and D trend line. The D wave is most likely not done, so expecting the D to come a bit higher, probably will make a new high with the debt ceiling, but then the E to come and expire into our E wave here and expire in the money. So based on that, we are looking to buy ideally a bit higher, but also here I wouldn't hesitate to buy here puts. Okay, we are buying puts because we're looking for price in the end to make the E wave for end of week or 1 week expiration date, and then by the time this trend line is going to be tested, or at least here starting with next week, we will buy calls for a new high, most likely end of next week, or maybe we will go even end of month. It remains to be seen. So this is our strategy. This is what we're going to do, and this is how we are going to treat this contracting triangle. So buying puts with end of week or 1 week expiration, end of week most likely, end of week. This is Tuesday, so it's good enough expiration date. And price now is, as you can see, 135.60. Whenever you are buying puts, you're looking for price at the expiration date to be lower than your striking price. And the reason why we're buying puts, we're looking for the E wave of the triangle to come to the downside. It might not be the E wave right here, right now. It might be that price will go and test the 136 before anything. But what we are really looking, we are looking for this triangle after this Friday. So after our puts will expire in the money, what we are actually looking for, we're looking for price to go and make A, B, C, D, E, and then bam, moving to the upside, and to make our to make a new high above the 137.10. 137.10 are the highs for the year for the euro and US dollar, and after that moment, depending on the price structure that we will have to the upside, we'll try to look for pressure to the downside to short the 138 area to buy puts for longer expiration dates, but that's a totally different story. Now this is what we wanted to show you today on fairbinaryoptions.com. Keep in mind that this is possible due to our official sponsor here, Lionknife. I am trading with Lionknife.com, and expiration date for end of week would be 20 GMT according to my time zone. So depending on your time zone, the expiration date for end of week might be different. But buying puts now 35.61, it is now priced for end of week expiration date, seems to be the logical thing to do. Until next time, stay safe from the markets. Bye bye.